Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install a Google Meet in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. In a few moments, you will be redirected to the Google Chrome. Here, you need to proceed to the upper right side of it. We just have to wait until everything are set. Okay, you would be able to see an icon here. All you need to do is you need to click on this icon to show all of the Google apps. So from here, you would be able to see the Meet here, which is beside to Gmail and chat. So all you need to do is you need to click on it so that you would be able to bring up the Google Meet. So just simply tap on it. So we just have to wait until this would be ready. Okay, and here you can see new meeting where you can start a new meeting instantly and you can also enter a code or link that you want to join with. So in order to install or download and install this Google Meet, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it and scroll down and locate your cursor to cast, save, and share. The moment you locate your cursor here, you would be able to see this one, which is Install Page as Application. So simply click on it, and you would be able to see a window where it will ask you to confirm your action. Just simply click on Install. So we just have to wait until a new window would be appearing, which means that we have just successfully installed it and download it as well in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, close the window, and there you go. You have created a Google as well the desktop. And if you will make a right click here at the start icon, and when you click on settings, and when you proceed to the left side of that, and when you click on apps, okay, when you go with the installed apps, so from here, you will be able to see the Google Meet here. Okay, so meaning we have successfully installed it. So if you would like it to pin in your taskbar, you can simply click on yes, or you can simply decline it by clicking on no thanks. So having the Google Meet being installed here in our Windows is very important, especially if our work is related to having a media conference or a web conference. So using this Google Meet is a very good step, okay, or is a very good method that you can do, especially when connecting to your co-workmates or to your classmates anywhere and where you can connect or collaborate and just have to do a lot of things using this Google Meet. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.